So this is actually the first bridge, and we are now on our way to Matuguinao proper. So we are back again in Matuguinao proper. We are bound for Matuguinao Cave, and we're actually gonna meet our local guide somewhere near the Matuguinao Cold Spring. Alright, what's up? So we are now in the forest of Matuguinao, and we are on our way to Cathedral Cave, also known as Matuguinao Cave, and Sir John is behind me and also the kids. Alright, so I'm gonna show this to my mom. Look at those big, according to Koyo notes back in San Andres, it's actually like dragon tail plant. So take a look at Sir John.
Pesos.
Yes.
Want to order, only 20,000 pesos.
Listen to Sir Johnny.
Huh?
It's only 20,000.
Online.
So the kids are leading the way. They know the place. Yeah. Hiking, more fun in Matuguinao. As you can see, passing through limestone trail. Right. The trail's actually steep going to Cathedral Cave. You know what it means. Yeah. Whew. Loose rocks.
So now we're going out to Cathedral Cave here in Matuguinao. So it's going uphill from Sapa Spring. We're just crossing the other side of the road, and we climb up uphill 30 minutes, and we arrive at Cathedral Cave. It's only a dry cave. So later we're gonna see nice formation in the cave, in Cathedral Cave here in Matuguinao.
Alright, so this is the entrance of Cathedral Cave, and the kids will lead the way. We are now inside Cathedral Cave of Matuguinao, so I'm with the kids. They are our guides for today. We found curtain still shining. Alright, so we are now inside Cathedral Cave. Look at those stalactites, stalagmites. It's actually a dry cave.
Wow, nice view.
A unique formation inside Cathedral Cave, and it actually seems like an altar. That's another chamber right there. Right there. It's unique. We are now in their big chamber. Hey! So you can actually hear the echo inside. So right now I feel like I'm in a mall in the underworld, because it's kind of wide. So approaching their stalactite, stalagmites. Alright, so there's a chamber in here which is filled with water. So I feel like swimming. We're going to exit. Okay. So Sir June is gonna cross. It's actually, I don't know what tree is that. It's actually connected in this portion of Cathedral Cave. Let's go, teamwork. Finally got out of the cave. It was actually a nice adventure inside Cathedral Cave.